Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to go over our second lesson of the week,
I've
previewing
got
for
some new word
iReady.
problems for us to solve. Let's do it!
This is compare smaller unknown word
Mia
problems.
sees 7 frogs at a pond. Audrey sees 5 fewer frogs than Mia. How many frogs does Audrey see?
Okay.
Mia sees 7 frogs at a pond. Audrey sees 5 fewer frogs than Mia. Let's subtract to find how many frogs Audrey sees. Tap
Now,
5 counters to turn them over.
it says Audrey sees 5 fewer frogs than Mia. It does not say Audrey sees 5 frogs. So it's very important that we pay attention to how the problem is worded. So we're going to be comparing. So this might be pretty easy, and if you know the answer, you may not need to watch the video, okay? So we're gonna flip 5 of them over because that's 5 fewer frogs than Mia. So we're using those 7 counters from Mia. Okay, so there's 5
These
fewer.
counters show the same number of frogs that Audrey sees.
This is Audrey's
Use counters
frogs
to
that
show
she
the frogs
sees.
Audrey sees.
Okay, so 7 was Mia's. Audrey had 5 fewer, so we're showing that part of 5. And then we can see that Audrey saw 2 frogs.
Now solve the problem. How many frogs does Audrey see?
So in your head, you could put this in a subtraction sentence of 7 minus 5. 7 frogs were at the pond, Mia sees. Audrey sees 5 fewer. So you could take those 5 away. And then looking at the picture, we can see that there are 2 frogs that Audrey sees.
Complete the subtraction equation for the problem. Complete the addition equation for the problem.
Okay, so Audrey sees 2. Mia sees 5 more than Audrey. So that gives us 7. See our 2 parts?
Indeed. You can use either subtraction or addition to show the problem.
Kirsten takes 10 pictures. Trey takes 3 fewer pictures than Kirsten. How many pictures does Trey take?
Okay, so we're going to do Kristen's. She takes 10. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I'm going to do counters for Trey. So 3 fewer pictures. Okay, so I don't think, will it? Oh yeah, that's what I'll do. Okay, so we're gonna do 3 fewer. So I'm gonna just match them up below until I have 3 more at the top than I do, 3 more blue than orange. And some of you probably have the answer ready and you're like, come on, Mrs. Kerr, I know it. Which, that's a good thing. Okay, so here's 10 of Kirsten, sorry. Trey takes 3 fewer pictures. So these 3 are the fewer pictures. 1, 2, 3. So the orange counters represents Trey's pictures. And then I know that 10 minus 3 equals 7. So let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good going! Complete the subtraction equation for the problem.
So my picture looked a little different, and that's okay. I still had them matched up and lined up. I just liked using a different color to represent Trey. So Kirsten had 10 pictures. Trey had 3 fewer than Kirsten. And then we knew, and we had already counted, that there were 7 pictures that Trey took. Okay, and we know our parts.
For the problem.
And we know that 3 and 7 were the parts and 10 was the whole, so we know that 7 is the other part.
Numberific!
Yuck.
Kara mails 8
Kara.
letters.
I know a Kara.
Alex mails 6 fewer letters than Kara. How many letters does Alex mail?
Okay, let's do Kara's 8. Start there. Okay, 6 fewer. So that means I'm kind of going to go backwards. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm not going to make counters starting here all the way across. So I'm going to say there's 1. This is Alex's. Okay, so here's Kara's 8. Here's Alex's 2 because he has 6 fewer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Alex should mail 2.
You made the connection.
And again, my picture might look a little different, but it's the same. It's just different
Complete
colors.
the subtraction equation for the problem.
Okay, so what was our whole? How many letters does Kara have? She has 8. Alex mails 6 fewer. Okay, so we have 8, 6 fewer. These are the oranges. And that leaves Alex with 2. Now it's going to want an addition sentence.
Complete the addition equation for the problem.
So our 2 parts are 6 and 2 make 8. Kara had 8.
You made the connection.
Phew! That was awesome!
Yeah! High five!
Hi, too!
Alberto makes 7 snowballs. Brendan makes 4 fewer snowballs than Alberto. How many snowballs does Brendan make? Complete the sentence.
Alberto has 7. So Brendan has 4 fewer. So if we wanted it to match, I'll make it match what you're going to see on the next slide. So I put my 7 up there, and then I'm basically flipping the counters over so I see 4. And then the rest represent how many Brendan has. So how many blue are there? There are 3. So Brendan, I'm going to bring these down. Brendan has 3 snowballs. Alberto still has 7. We're not taking those 4 snowballs away. We're just flipping them over, the counter over, to represent the 4 fewer snowballs that Brendan has. So Brendan has 3 snowballs. Now you'll see Mrs. Kerr's picture match. Either way you do it, it's fine.
Complete the
If you did it the way that the way I was doing it at first, that's fine. If you do it this way, that's fine too. Okay, now we're going to do addition. Missing part
Complete
is
the addition equation
3.
for the problem.
Trying to hurry up here. I don't want to add to too much to your computer time here. You guys are on the computer enough.
Tessa reads 9 books. Sophie reads 2 fewer books than Tessa. How many books does Sophie read?
And this will probably be the last one because I do want to get off the computer. I don't want you guys on here anymore. All right, so
Complete the sentence.
I'm going to do 9 counters to represent Tessa. Mrs. Kerr's not very good at making straight counters here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so 2 fewer. So that means I'm going to make 2 of them orange. And you should be able to see the 2 orange and then the 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blue. So 7 is how many books Sophie reads. And I'm trying to line them up so you can see them. So they match up. So the bottom row is the 7 from Sophie. The top are Tessa's. There we go. And it matches. Theirs look a lot nicer
Complete
than
the
mine.
subtraction equation
So
for
our
the problem.
whole was 9. That's how many books Tessa read. 2 fewer was Sophie's, and Sophie read 7. Then we're going to do the addition sentence and we'll be done. The
Complete the addition
two
equation
parts
for
are
the problem.
7 plus 2 equals 9. And that's it, boys and girls. So I hope this makes it a little easier. This one is a little easier than the one you guys did last week. Let me know if you need help. I'm here for you. All right, guys. Love you. Bye.